If you're not sure how to unblock someone on Snapchat, don't worry. In this helpful Snapchat tutorial video, I will show you exactly how it's done. In just a few simple steps, you'll be able to unblock anyone and get back to snapping away. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how. To get started, first open up the Snapchat application and then tap on your Bitmoji icon at the top left corner of the screen. Once you are on this screen, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen to go to the settings. So now what you want to do next is scroll down to the bottom of the page, and you will see an option called Blocked. So go ahead and tap on that, and it will show you all of the people that you blocked on Snapchat. So if you want to unblock someone in this list, simply tap on the X icon right next to their name, and then tap on Yes on the pop-up, and that will unblock that person on Snapchat. And you can repeat those simple steps to unblock anyone on Snapchat. Tap on the X icon right next to their name, and tap on Yes. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.